Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. First of all, we have to, of course, open our contacts and find the contact we'd like to edit. Then let's tap on it and pick this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on this kind of photo icon in the circle, and as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so whatever you want to. Just find your photo and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can change the size of this highlighted square, we can change the position of it. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo. Basically, all we are doing right now is to position this highlighted square just like we want to our contact to look like, because this area is basically responsible for it. So if you're happy, just tap on tick icon. And as you can see, this is how our contact looks like right now. So if you're happy, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. So here we've got our contact. As you can see, you will be able to see the photo on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.